Welcome back. We are now going to start a new file in Microsoft Clipchamp. So we're going to click on the menu. We're then going to click on New Video. And we have a new video. We're going to give this video a title. In this case, we're going to use one of the recording options. So one of the first things we're going to do, we're going to choose the dimensions of our video. So for example, we're going to choose our dimensional video, and we're going to choose it to be a vertical video. What we're then going to do is we're going to then choose a camera style video. We are going to allow Clipchamp to use our camera. What we're going to do is to hit the record button, and for the sake of this video, our camera is actually going to be grayed out. We can then either retake the recording or save and edit the recording. And you'll notice now that our video will now show up with our camera feed inside of a vertical video. We can then add other elements to the video, such as text. And we can add that text to the place where we want it to be in the video. For example, we can then choose a specific title, and we can make it so that the title will appear throughout the entire video. What we can then do is to edit the text that will appear inside of the video. We can then position the text where we want it to be. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.